बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इंडियन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट को बहुत मिसअंडरस्टैंड या मिस इंटरप्रेट करा जा रहा है, एंड थ्रू दिस सीरीज आई वांट टू शेयर सम जर्नीज विद यू. सो who's going to go first?
This one.
Ladies first.
But I had no other.
पर आज भी ये मिसकंसेप्शन बच्चों को है कि सीए टैक्स रिटर्न्स भरता है.
कहते साइंस टफ लगी, साइंस छोड़ दी.
हाँ,
मैथ्स टफ लगी, मैथ्स छोड़ दी. And that stuck with.
The head boy and really annoying.
Head boys are generally annoying.
Very annoying.
I was one as well.
Yeah. Oh, he was very annoying, sir. So annoying. You know those
You're
people.
on air. You're on air.
I
Yeah.
know. I qualified when I was 21. So my first year was in Chandigarh in a local firm doing bank audits in Sector 17, Chandigarh.
So my daughter's going to love hearing this one.
Oh my God.
I remember my first assignment I did there. I did it like we do in India. Ratta mara, likh diya. And they gave me a C on it. And they're like, no thought process involved. That's the comment. That's
और
still...
तेरे को सिखा के भेजा था मैंने क्लास से. Hello and namaskar. I am CA Arvind Tuli and you're watching Unacademy CA. मेरी ये सीरीज है celebrating the Indian Chartered Accountant. I'm sure all of you watching know that Indian CA is the only degree that Government of India trusts for all their statutory compliances. बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इंडियन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट को बहुत मिसअंडरस्टैंड या मिस इंटरप्रेट करा जा रहा है, एंड थ्रू दिस सीरीज आई वांट टू शेयर सम जर्नीज विद यू. मैंने 2 पॉडकास्ट इससे पहले करे. यू नो आई गॉट अ फ्यू ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट्स हु जस्ट क्लियर्ड देयर इंटरमीडिएट एंड जॉइंड द बिग 4. देन द लास्ट वन वाज विद अभय बनोट, हु इज डायरेक्टर फाइनेंस Bain, and we saw how the Indian chartered accountant does a lot of serious work but yet manages his work life balance as well. Today, my guests are very special. It's a husband and wife chartered accountant pair. They've done their Indian CA. They were with me through intermediate and final in 2010. And they've done their masters in accounting and finance from London. So I'm going to be introducing you to Surbhi Goyal and Abhinav Sapra. So welcome on my podcast.
Lovely to be here, sir.
I know.
Great to be
So,
here, sir.
Yeah, it's been a great journey. So as a teacher, you know, for me, what is so special is when I see, मेरे को याद है तुम लोग क्लास में बैठे हुए, सारे स्टूडेंट्स नहीं याद रहते हैं, कुछ याद रह जाते हैं, because I think at that time also you were friends, and yeah. So I remember that, and then of course we lost touch, but then one day about 2-3 years back, you gave me a call. She said, we are back from London and we wanted to connect. So that's the kind of bond, you know, I've always wanted to share with my students as well. So who's going to go first?
This one.
Ladies first.
Okay.
So I want you all to start your journey from why you wanted to be a CA and
Okay.
what it means to be a CA today.
Sure. So I was a very studious student always, which is probably why I wanted to be a CA. But जब ये शुरू किया, at that point in time, I come from a business family, and no one in my family in the girls was working.
अच्छा.
तो मुझे हमेशा था I want to be financially independent, and
Okay.
this was a very reputed profession. And I wanted that tag. I wanted to be CA Surbhi Goyal. And that was really important to me.
Oh, very nice.
And because of that, I decided to go into this without knowing anything more other than tax returns भरनी होती हैं, घर से बैठ के कर सकते हो. You know, all those stupid things that you think when you're 18, 19 years of age.
I know.
But I had no other...
पर आज भी ये मिसकंसेप्शन बच्चों को है कि सीए टैक्स रिटर्न्स भरता है, एंड यू नो थ्रू द बोथ ऑफ यू, बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग सम वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टफ व्हिच यू नो वॉच आउट. ये लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं, आई एम टेलिंग यू, इट इज सो इंटरेस्टिंग एंड आई वुड वांट देम टू शेयर हाउ दे गॉट देयर. बट बिफोर दैट, व्हाई डिड यू वांट टू डू सीए?
So similar background. I'm from a business family as well, and my father, my uncle, my brother are all engineers.
Oh.
तो 10th तक हमने देख लिया था कि engineering में कितनी मेहनत है, and then you know I went like मैं commerce करूँगा. And when I started at भवन चंडीगढ़ से पढ़ा हूँ मैं भी, तो कॉमर्स वॉज मेंट टू गो द नेचुरल राउट. कॉमर्स करेंगे, MBA करेंगे, उसके बाद बिजनेस में बैठेंगे, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर ग्रोइंग अप योर फादर इज योर मेंटर, लाइक यही करना है हमने. सो आई रिमेंबर +1 के अंदर मैथ्स सब्जेक्ट होता था. तो पहले ही जब कॉमर्स लिया था, घर वाले थे, अरे तू ब्राइट बच्चा है, कॉमर्स में क्यों जा रहा है, इंजीनियरिंग करनी चाहिए.
इमेजिन दिस इज द सेम थिंग दैट हैपेंड टू मी.
तो मैंने कहा नहीं, मैंने कॉमर्स करना है, मेरे को नहीं इंटरेस्ट है साइंसेज में, राइट, मेरे को नहीं याद करने केमिकल इक्वेशंस में, कब यूज करूंगा लाइफ में. तो कॉमर्स फेल्ड है, ये प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ नॉलेज देगा. वहाँ पे मैथ्स था, बहुत मुश्किल था। हम 95% लेने वाले थे, पहले सेमेस्टर के अंदर 60% आए मैथ्स में। हमने कहा हम तो ये नहीं करेंगे।
नहीं करेंगे।
I did well in maths though.
Relatively. So I had a family friend who's like, ये तो मैथ्स कर रहा है, साइंस वाला है, इसको छोड़ दे। So I left maths. Then जहाँ अकाउंटेंसी पढ़ रहा था मैं, they started talking about CA etc. Right? So I was discussing it with my father and I'm like, yeah, it's too tough. What is the relevance, etc. etc. So he just said one thing. कहते टफ के चक्कर में कब तक चीज को छोड़ते रहो।
Awesome. Awesome.
कहते साइंस टफ लगी, साइंस छोड़ दी,
हाँ,
मैथ्स टफ लगी, मैथ्स छोड़ दिया, एंड दैट स्टक विद मी,
Yeah.
एंड इट्स स्टक विद मी थ्रू आउट, राइट? तो उससे ये था कि नो, आई एम गोइंग टू बिकम अ लाइक हर, आई हैड नो कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ व्हाट अ सीए डज। एवरीबडी हैज अ फैमिली फ्रेंड हु इज अ सीए,
Let me assure you, none of the people watching, most of them don't know what a
डोंट नो
CA
व्हाट अ
does.
सीए डज।
They just believe कि CA को पैसा मिलता है,
हाँ,
रिस्पेक्ट मिलता है,
Yes.
इसलिए करेंगे.
इसलिए।
That's just about it.
एंड सिमिलर लेवल पे हम गए थे कि इसके डिग्री की रिस्पेक्ट है।
Reputation.
आप
meaning-
कहते हो कि मैं बीकॉम कर रहा हूँ, लोग कहते हैं चलो ग्रेजुएशन कर रहा है, आप कहते हो मैं सीए की पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ, एक अलग लेवल ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट है, एंड द
Exactly.
प्रोफेशन हैज बिल्ट दैट ओवर द
Yes, it
इयर्स।
has built that. And I think this is a profession that has gained reputation over years,
ओवर इयर्स,
and it has added to the reputation actually.
एब्सोल्युटली।
Aaj CA, what does CA mean to you today? How do you identify yourself with CA? What has it done to you?
So it has given me a career path in life. It has completely changed my outlook on life. And more than that, I think I did my CA, then I went abroad, I did my master's. So both of those degrees together have added so much to my profile. If I tell people I'm a chartered accountant and I've done my master's, it just brings out this level of respect because they know that this individual has something backing them. There is that
मतलब कुछ वजन है,
कुछ वजन है
So
इनकी
वो
बात
degree
में।
gives you that, respect in the eyes of
Absolutely.
the person
Yeah.
meeting
So
you.
it's a great instrument,
It's
that degree.
awesome.
I'll
It's a
give-
great stepping
Yeah,
entry to the world actually, the world of
I remember when I went to university in the UK, right? तो अगेन वो था, सीए में बहुत मेहनत किया, अब ना कुछ फन डिग्री करेंगे, फैमिली बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट
हाँ।
टाइप। माय फादर वाज अगेन लाइक, you're a chartered accountant, if you're going, let's do something in finance. And I remember sitting in my first lecture and introducing myself as a chartered accountant, and the class went quiet.
Wow.
They're like, you've come to do a master's degree and you're a chartered accountant.
Hmm.
So I got pulled to the tutor's class afterwards, and they're like, we're going to change your subjects because otherwise you're going to school the teachers here. We don't want you to do that.
Awesome. See, that is the kind of respect एक Indian chartered
Yeah.
accountant को ना सिर्फ इंडिया में,
Definitely.
you're saying London में भी मिलता
Yeah, absolutely.
है. Awesome.
Yeah.
Now let's take you back to your coaching days,
Sure.
right? Long time back.
Very long.
This is 2010.
10, 11,
2010.
10, 11.
yeah.
हमारे लिए it is still 2010,
So did
but
you both know each other before you came to my class?
We were classmates in school. So we were classmates from 2008.
so we were in the same school. We
Yes.
weren't classmates, so we were
Oh,
different
yeah,
sections
different
वाली बात
sections.
है.
That's true.
But we, of course, because we were in the same school, we knew of each other. We didn't really know each other.
He was the head boy and really annoying.
Head
Yes.
boys are generally annoying.
Very annoying.
I was one as well. Okay. So yeah. So क्या होता है कि मेरी क्लास में I've seen so many children when you were 17, 18. As
Yeah.
a teacher, it's been a privilege, and I could see, even at that time, I knew कि you both were probably going around or what, maybe
So-
best friends or
Best
something.
friends.
Best friends.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
you'll not believe it, up till 2015, that is how we saw each other.
Yeah.
Okay.
We were best friends.
Generally happens that way.
Because, sir, the thing is, for us, it was never about, we are dating or we are going out, and that is the bond we have. The things we used to do, like, some of that we'll talk off air, but we were like these stupid friends.
Yeah.
हमारे पैटी के 10 रुपए का भी
But
हिसाब
I
था,
think
It's,
husband and wife have to be best friends.
right?
है ना?
That's
And
true.
that is what led to this decision of, we should get married. After a certain point, you're like, we've known each other.
Yeah.
हमें nuances पता है, हमें annoyances पता है,
हाँ.
right? This
And
this
yet we are
works.
tolerating each other.
And,
So-
and yet we
Yeah.
choose to voluntarily tolerate each other. So,
So let's take you through your journey of studying.
Okay.
How tough did you think CA was? And you all cleared your CA first attempt?
final group we did like split
But we
group,
split
but
it,
we
but
did it in the
first
first.
वैसे दिया.
हाँ.
So just take us through the journey of what does it require from a student to give to this degree?
So
Because we've seen वापस तो बहुत कुछ आ रहा है.
Yeah.
पर देना क्या क्या है? And how was your journey through those years of as a student?
So I'll start. when we did chartered accountancy, you could do it with your graduation. तो
हाँ,
BCom भी साथ में था, ये भी
ये
साथ
भी
में था.
साथ में।
There was some overlap in subjects, which was somewhat helpful. Saying that CA का एक डर भी बहुत होता है, because you
हाँ.
know, at least at that point in time, अब मुझे stats नहीं पता, 10% और lesser pass rate होता था.
हाँ, अभी भी लगभग वही है।
वो ही है. तो वो काफी एक घबराहट होती थी इस चीज की. एंड बोथ ऑफ अस यूज्ड टू बी स्टडी पैल्स एज वेल. तो
हाँ.
हम इसके नोट्स मैं लेती थी. मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी मेरे लेता था, बट बहुत डिटेल में पढ़ना भी होता था. एंड देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ क्रैमिंग. आई वाज गुड एट क्रैमिंग, येट आई थिंक देयर वर सम टीचर्स सच एज यू हु वुड हेल्प अस think about what we were reading,
हाँ.
while there were some who would just ask us, this is what you need to learn, and that's it.
मेरा फेवरेट है वाई.
हम्म.
जब तक क्यों का सवाल का जवाब नहीं आएगा ना,
हम्म.
तब तक लर्न तो करना ही है. यू हैव टू मेमोराइज, बट
And
यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड.
I remember in your classes, you would even go back to tell us ये law क्यों put in place हुआ था, इसका reasoning क्या है. And वो चीज़ I think we carried forward to our professions. Now, if I talk about how much we had to put in, it was crazy. I think I'll talk about myself. I used to study 10-12 hours a day during the exam days. During the exam
करना
days.
पड़ता है,
उसके
करना
सिवाय it was quite chilled out, क्योंकि कोचिंग करोगे, उसके बाद होमवर्क होगा, सब कुछ होगा. वो सब करके if you're doing it properly, you need to have a routine and commitment.
Discipline.
Discipline.
You're
And
right.
And
that's
these are the gifted ones, no, जिनको सिर्फ एग्जाम में पढ़ना पड़ता था.
That's true. That's true. He
Um,
was always cribbing about that.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
he was very annoying, sir. So annoying. You know those
You're
people
on
who.
air. You're on air.
I
Yeah.
know.
You're on air.
Yeah. Let's not make this a marital thing. But, no, I think.
So how was your study different from us?
So my study was different because fundamentally my approach to things is quite different. Like, you know, I want to be thorough.
हाँ,
I have that inherent feeling of I need to be under the skin of the subject.
हाँ.
I need to be comfortable about it so I can talk
मतलब वो
about it.
concept में डुबकी
हम्म.
मारना
डुबकी मारना जरूरी है. जो आपका वाई वाला पॉइंट है, that is, it's not just CA के दौरान. Even now, I'm working with chartered accountants across India based on the work we are doing, right? The only thing I ask them whenever they pitch something to me is why.
Mhm.
You've
It
told me
carries
this
on,
and
the
this
legacy
doesn't.
goes on, yeah.
Absolutely. And
So as an educator, पता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि maybe when I'm dealing with youngsters when they come to me, I'm also probably giving them that foundation for the future. Therefore, I always tell each one of them कि listen, 3 साल बाद तुम्हें सुनने के लिए लोग पैसा देने वाले हैं.
Yeah.
So please make sure तुम्हारे से better knowledge किसी के पास नहीं है. I think that is what
Absolutely.
you all
Yeah.
will agree
And
with
so-
me as well.
in terms of exams, yeah.
पर हम सिर्फ क्लास में पढ़ाई नहीं करते थे. We used to have a bit of fun as well. Yeah.
That's a community element of it, no? That is what you miss. वो कहते हैं ना, for a chartered accountant,
हाँ.
people who say chartered accountants don't have university days and school days, that's a farce, right? We had a lot of fun studying up to be chartered accountants. Of course, in your class, you know, we've got 100 people there,
More.
sometimes
it was crazy,
more.
that
Yeah.
really like long classroom
Long
with
classroom.
100 kids in it.
Yeah.
And
Actually, चंडीगढ़ में उससे पहले किसी के पास बड़ा बैच नहीं होता.
batch.
I was the first teacher who had 175 का batch.
Wow.
Oh my
Your
God.
batch was actually that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So उस समय I was taking almost 4 batches a day,
Yeah.
which was equal size.
Yeah.
And I was going crazy.
Yeah.
How do you get across to so many students and yet do your job properly? So उस जमाने में I also redeveloped my teaching methodology with, you know, laptops. And,
You were the first one I saw with an iPad.
yeah. So I was actually the first one, I would say, in India.
Hmm.
Those are, I think 2007, 8, 9, I don't remember exactly. अभी tablet PCs आए नहीं थे.
Yeah.
I
And
just
you-
read it on Google कि कहीं मिलता है.
हाँ.
And I searched for it, got it from, I don't know, somewhere. दिल्ली से लाया था या कहीं से लाया था, I remember. And that was the first time
Yeah.
we went through that. Then I used to also have these disciplinary pokes,
Yes.
sarcasms.
Yes.
Oh, and you know,
That
yeah,
was really cool. I think if we were late in class, there would be claps and haws.
VIP आ गई.
Yeah.
So from the student life, CA intermediate to CA final, you saw a lot of hard work.
Yeah.
So now you move on to your the practical part of it or the application.
Sure.
So where did your journey take you?
I think the main thing I will say to all young chartered accountants out there is make your network. I know हम सब अब online पढ़ रहे हैं, but network अगर नहीं है, तो तुम कहाँ पहुँचोगे? I have no idea.
Beautifully said.
Because for me, it's my network which has given me everything I have in life now.
Hmm.
So the first job I had, I came back from the UK. My parents wanted me to
No,
work in
so
India.
let's go back a little.
Okay.
So you finished your CA.
Yes.
What did you do next?
Uh,
You went to UK.
No, I did 1 year of audit.
कहाँ पर?
Yahi Chandigarh mein, there was a firm in Chandigarh where I did audit and
You know, I'll just take a pause here. I
Okay.
want every student, everybody listening, एक मिसकंसेप्शन है
हम्म,
कि बस करने के बाद बिग 4 में नहीं मिला ना तो बस अभी मेरा फ्यूचर
सही।
ब्लिक है. आई जस्ट वांट दैट मिसकंसेप्शन टू गो. हर स्टूडेंट की, हर सीए की अपनी जर्नी है. The idea is, I think you make your journey what you want it to be. So therefore, what you just said is very important. कि
Yeah.
चंडीगढ़ से करा.
And I'll give a reason also. मैं क्यों नहीं बिग 4 तब सोच सकती थी. One, my parents would have not understood कि मेरा world view already बढ़ गया है. That I can go outside and work
Okay.
in a proper big enterprise.
हाँ,
तो वो उनको नहीं समझ आना था.
हाँ.
And उसके बाद once I went abroad, they understood I could live independently. And I know,
I have the same problem.
yeah,
My daughter's in ACCA and she's been pestering me.
yeah,
कि I'm 21. Let me go to London and Delhi. I'm like, नहीं,
yeah.
अभी नहीं.
अभी नहीं.
So okay, now that
Yeah,
you've changed my
exactly.
perspective as well.
I qualified when I was 21. So my first year was in Chandigarh in a local firm doing bank audits in Sector 17, Chandigarh.
So my daughter's going to love hearing this one.
Oh my God. And वो करने के बाद I realized, and I think most people do realize this, sorry about this, Avi, because he's done assurance a lot. I did not enjoy audit or assurance at all. So what motivated me was, हम corporate finance पढ़ते हैं finals में, and that was something that really interested me. It interests me to this day, which is why I chose my profession, which was corporate finance and valuations.
Wow.
So when I went to the London School of Economics, those are the subjects I specifically chose, and those are the ones I studied. Then when I got to India, I got a job where I was in a finance function of a MNC, and there I got to do valuations for the companies they were acquiring. At the same time, because it was
So just take me through.
sure.
वैल्यूएशंस में क्या काम है? क्योंकि
Val-
पता है कि सीए को एक नॉर्मल है, रिटर्न भरेगा, ऑडिट करता है. ये वैल्यूएशंस का क्या है? What is the work and how do you get into it?
Sure. So I think it's more of exhibiting that interest and that skill set, because वो skill set हमें CA में पहले ही पढ़ा रहे हैं. It's not something new to us.
अच्छा,
तो
क्या
all-
वैल्यू कर रहे हैं? What are we valuing?
So we can be valuing companies, we can be valuing share instruments, we can be valuing debt instruments.
Okay.
So there's a variety of things that you can value. You can value, for example, a company is acquiring another, तो उसके अंदर assets की भी valuation हो
Valuation
सकती
है.
है. So
Okay.
valuing literally anything in the world.
इसके लिए ये separate degree, this is the degree you guys took in
No,
London
I
School?
won't say it
So-
was a degree, Avi.
No, it's not a separate degree you
हाँ.
need. In the UK, to become a valuer, you
Hmm.
don't need a degree.
No
अच्छा,
degree other
एक
than
CA का
CA.
degree
CA
चलता है.
काफी है
CA
उसके
के
लिए.
अंदर हम एक सब्जेक्ट होता है स्ट्रेटेजिक फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट
Exactly.
SFM.
हाँ.
That is
अभी
the
भी है.
that is the
Hmm.
base of valuations.
Oh,
Hmm.
okay.
आपको डेरिवेटिव समझ में आता है, आपको
Hmm.
इंटरेस्ट रेट स्वैप्स ये समझ
Option
में आता है,
pricing
ऑप्शन
समझ आता है.
प्राइसिंग,
Okay.
वो सारा नॉलेज है. एज अ प्रोफेशन इंडिया में वैल्यूएशन अब बढ़ना शुरू हुआ है.
हाँ.
Like there is a separate branch of the ICI. ICI registered valuers organization.
Seriously?
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't know this. Very nice.
And I'm interrupting, but
No, that's
when we came back from the UK, what did we spend COVID doing? We got that certification.
अच्छा, ICI से लिया तुमने?
Hmm.
ICI RVO registered valuers हम दोनों.
So I will go back to the audience again.
Yeah.
बच्चों सिर्फ सीए डिग्री लेके पढ़ना बंद नहीं करना. You know, पढ़ाई लिखाई जारी रहेगी. They've done their, you went to the UK to do your degree,
Masters, yeah.
masters,
Yeah.
came back and took COVID के समय
हाँ.
हम लोग खा पी रहे थे, तुम लोग डिग्री ले रहे थे. So this is what I want every student. As a CA, I think learning is a continuous process.
Learning anyway, sir.
Every-
Valuations में I think Avi, whatever work we are doing for our clients, we are learning every day.
Yeah.
कुछ ना कुछ नया आ जाएगा. ये वैल्यू करना है. ये है क्या?
ये है क्या? Exactly. And like I'll just quickly chip in
Yeah.
with मेरा background. So we went into like London School of Economics and then to do valuations, right? When I went to London, after that I joined PwC as an auditor,
अच्छा.
right? Which is like the classic वो CA का ना auditor हैं.
हाँ.
And I also went in
Yeah, I'm
thinking
intrigued. लंदन कैसे गए तुम दोनों?
क्योंकि हमने मास्टर्स किया हुआ था वहां से. Avi immediately after his masters got a job there.
अच्छा.
मैंने
You did your masters from another
I did it from University of Bristol.
University of Bristol. और
हाँ.
इसका एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस वगैरह ऑनलाइन सारा मिल जाता है सर.
सब कुछ.
There are enough people to
There are
guide you
people to
through
guide you. Okay. So
through
it's
all
not
of
so
that.
difficult to.
Nothing.
No,
Okay.
it is not very difficult. But
Just for the audience, how much
Yeah.
does it cost so that everybody gets
well,
an idea?
today it's quite expensive.
Very
When we went, it roughly cost us 30 lakhs for the year.
Okay.
Yeah.
और अभी कितना का होगा?
तो बहुत
Easy
एक्सपेंसिव है.
50 to
50
60.
लाख.
वहाँ पे कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग भी बढ़ गया है, तो
Cost of
रहना
living
भी
बढ़
महंगा हो
गया.
गया.
That's why
अदरवाइज
it's
हमारे टाइम इतना नहीं था.
Okay. And उसके बाद you say you got a job in
So yeah, because I studied there and they teach you about the question why. They ask you to think laterally. I remember my first assignment I did there. I did it like we do in India. Ratta mara likh diya. and they gave me a C on it, and they're like, no thought process involved. That's the comment that's
और
still.
तेरे को सिखा के भेजा था मैंने क्लास से
And no, so that I met with a partner at PwC at a graduate event जहाँ पे वो बच्चों को जो articleship period है उसके लिए hire करते हैं. So I went there and I went up to her after the event and said like, but I'm a qualified chartered accountant. She said, in the UK. I said, no, in India. कहती even better. And she's like,
she said even better
yeah.
wow
And
बच्चों को कई बार लगता है कि क्या इंडियन सीए की इंडिया के बाहर रिस्पेक्ट है
बहुत respect है
बहुत
साहब.
respect.
गुड टू हियर फ्रॉम यू
Yeah. The grind we go through here
हाँ
is
ये
another
इससे
level.
मुश्किल कोई डिग्री नहीं
नहीं है.
नहीं है और एक बार ये डिग्री मिल गई आई एम टेलिंग यू
Yeah.
द वर्ल्ड एक्नॉलेजेस द इंडियन चार्टर्ड
Absolutely. So she's like, email me your CV and we'll talk.
हाँ
So I finished my degree in October. I came back to India. I had a 20-minute interview over the phone,
अच्छा
and I was given an offer to join their assurance practice.
wow
And part of that was because of the academic background I had, and part of it was because the experience abroad had helped me communicate the way they want a professional to
No, but
communicate.
you also always had that confidence, Avi. A lot of us, because I
He was always
struggled
very
with, he was
confident, I
very
remember,
confident. I always struggled with confidence.
not really I don't remember
No.
you having struggled with confidence
No.
हम लोग
Trying to
बहुत
be humble.
इवेंट्स करते थे आई रिमेंबर यू गाइस वर पार्टिसिपेट डिड यू पार्टिसिपेट इन वन ऑफ देम
We
why do I remember this
we participated in the treasure hunt thing
treasure
for
hunt
sure.
yeah
For
कहीं
I
पे
did.
मुझे याद है।
I'm not sure about
I
it.
didn't.
Okay.
नहीं, I used to stay back in all of these. मेरे को confidence नहीं था इन चीजों का.
Okay.
And वो confidence I think धीरे धीरे build up हुआ. जब वो तुम्हें बार बार when you join a professional organization, they'll just keep pushing you कि
हाँ.
आपने ही बोलना है.
आपने ये बोला।
And यही जो Avi is saying कि think about the things you do. This is the feedback I got in my first job at PwC in my valuations team.
अच्छा
बहुत बुरा feedback मिला था first 3 months. It was horrible. They used to just keep saying like each of my reports had 100 comments on them. And they would say, you've not thought about this. But why? But why? Why is this a company comparable to yours? Have you thought about it? And I wouldn't have thought about it. Because India में क्या होता है तुम्हें बुक दे देते हैं तुम्हें याद करनी होती है and that's it.
yeah
पर
And
हम सोचना बहुत जरूरी
तभी
है.
तभी मैं आई विल गो बैक नाउ अगेन
Yeah.
Yeah.
भाई साहब क्यों जो मैं क्लास में पहले दिन एंड माय फर्स्ट लेक्चर व्हेन यू कम टू एनी लेक्चर
Yeah.
फेस टू फेस ऑनलाइन क्यों
Mm.
मैं सीधा सीधा लिखता हूँ क्यों
हम्म।
मैं कहा जब तक इस क्यों का क्यों नहीं हो जाएगा ना तब तक पूछते रहना सवाल बिकॉज जाके दुनिया में तुमने करना क्या है एवरीबॉडी इज गोइंग टू आस्क यू
Yeah.
Think about the
Yeah,
why
think
of
about
things.
it.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
that's my experience. So when I joined as an auditor, I went like auditing में vouching करते हैं. So I remember a senior manager at PwC took me out to the client side. I sat there. Lumber का business था, वो wood based
Hmm.
factory थी उनकी. And he's like, get on with it, right? And I was like, fine. Sleeves rolled up. I was like, bring all the vouchers that you have. And he's looking at me. He's like, no, we sample.
भी sample, yeah.
But again, with auditing, I went in with the traditional mindset.
हाँ,
When I left PwC, I was still an auditor.
Okay.
I was not a valuer.
हाँ.
Right? I was an auditor. I was working in the financial services practice.
Hmm.
I was auditing
So
some
you
of the
did what we
largest
all do,
banks.
follow the wife.
Yes. Yes. So I was auditing some of the largest banks in the UK. I was sat in rooms with people who were worth multi-billions.
You know, the both of you, I wish इतने सारे बच्चे तुम्हें देखेंगे, they look up to you and see कि look what all is possible with one degree.
Oh, absolutely.
One degree. And I think इस डिग्री में टैक्स और तुमने टैक्स करा भी नहीं in your life.
Never.
Tax, audit मैंने थोड़ा सा किया है.
हाँ.
इन्होंने काफी किया है.
Yeah, so one degree gives you so
हाँ.
many options.
Yeah.
So I think it's just the I go back in my time and say, young Arvind, great decision.
Hmm.
I value it even today because उसकी वजह से I've had a very good, decent life,
Absolutely.
which is
Sir,
the identity of a CA.
इसकी dilution नहीं होती.
नहीं होती.
You are always a CA
You're
and
always
it is not कि अच्छा अभी तो किया था मतलब
हाँ.
बहुत देर हो गई अब क्यों
हाँ.
तुम इसे देख रहे हो.
हाँ, you're
You are
always a CA.
always a CA and it's still a point of pride.
This is so nice, and it feels so nice when others respect you as a
Absolutely.
professional. And we are a fraternity.
Yeah.
Chalo, teacher student अलग है, but we are a
Yeah.
fraternity.
Yeah.
So coming back to what you all do now, you I believe have your own enterprise set up in Chandigarh, and you have 2 kids as well now.
Yes.
And
Yes,
I
we do.
must come back to Survi with her mantra for fitness, because she has a 10-month-old child.
Yes.
And so this is what I want to know now, your work-life balance and what is the work you do together
Should I
and
talk
how
through
do
the
you
work?
You start
survive
first.
working together?
Yeah.
अगला सवाल सुन. how do you survive working together?
We enjoy that,
We
sir. We've
enjoy that.
always
I love
studied together,
That's
worked
because you were
together.
friends
We
always.
were
Yeah.
friends.
So even at PwC, once
Huh.
we got married, she joined valuations. I would sit here, she would sit over there with her valuations team. So we were very used to working
We're
together.
very used to being
If
And I've
any-
seen a
in that space.
lot of students doing CA together
Yeah.
who married and done really well. A lot of my students I know who paid up and got these partnerships for life. So I would want to know, how is it being married together and working together, so that
Yeah.
people who are contemplating it today can take a call.
They can think, हाँ,
So-
कर
so-
लो.
I'll talk you through what do we do currently.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Right, we are both valuers and we are registered valuers in India. So
Okay.
you need to be a registered valuer
This
in
is
India.
after you did that course with ICI.
Yes,
Acha.
which isn't as it is an intense course, but it's not a 3-year course.
Huh.
You can do it in 55 hours.
Wow.
That is the window.
Okay.
And valuation as a profession in India is growing quite quickly.
Quite quickly. Yes.
There are a lot of good firms which have come up.
Huh.
The big four have, of course, been in it forever, but
Huh.
now it is getting regulated, which means like you need to be a CA to sign an audit report,
Huh.
you need to be a registered valuer to sign a valuation report if it is for a statutory
Okay.
purpose.
So that's a good point. Okay.
Right? So what are we doing currently? We're both valuers. We've set up our own firm here and we collaborate with firms abroad.
In UK and
In the
US
UK and the
Huh.
US. We collaborate with them.
And that is because of the network you said you've
Exactly.
Absolutely.
If we didn't have that network, sir, we wouldn't have this relationship.
made.
And without that, we would, I think, be really struggling for finding interesting work.
Yes.
If
Hmm.
not finding work, but interesting work that motivates us and work that gives us our lifestyle.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So and we've got a team of chartered accountants in India,
Hmm.
all virtual because that's the model now. Everybody is virtual. And yeah, we basically provide any sort of share asset valuations, right? We don't do plant and machinery or land and building. We don't have the skill set.
Huh.
But apart
मतलब
from that,
valuations में भी specific valuations.
Absolutely.
absolutely,
क्या बात है?
absolutely.
और
And that is where the roundedness of the profession is quite important.
Yeah.
आपने कहा आपने टैक्स पढ़ाया,
हाँ.
हमने आपसे टैक्स ने जो पढ़ाया वो शायद ज्यादा याद नहीं रहा, लाइफ स्किल्स याद है,
हाँ.
एंड एक जो एथिक होता है,
Ethics.
how do you understand and dissect something that is written, that we've learned from you,
Good to
and that is what we apply
Yeah.
on a day-to-day basis.
Great to do this. Awesome. So while before this conversation, so you're doing valuations, which is a completely different field. बहुत कम CAs मिलेंगे, and you're doing well. I know that, which we will not go on camera. But so I also want to know, you said you have an office outside home,
Yes.
and Surabhi works from home
Yes.
because she has two
Tiny ones.
kids, tiny ones. One is the son is 3 years
Son
old.
is 3 years old, daughter is 9.5 months old.
Wow.
Yes.
How does that work?
So I think with my son, I was really anxious and nervous.
Huh.
What that meant was it translated into my work as well. But I
Huh.
think with the daughter, I think girls are just so chilled out. So with her, I started working at 2
Abhinav
months.
सुन रहा है.
That's right.
With her, I started working when she was 2 months old.
Okay.
And I won't say it's easy. It does take a lot of effort, but we've now set up that ecosystem. So if I'm working from home, I have nannies. I have Avi's mom, who's there as well. And she's always there to provide oversight for the kid.
That's the beauty of this Indian family system. I think मैं बच्चों को बोलता रहता हूँ कि देखो हम Indians हैं, भारतीय हैं. You have to value this entire
Absolutely.
system.
उसके बिना sir, because we've lived abroad as well with the kids for a month or so here or there. मतलब हम चले जाते हैं लंदन बीच में बच्चों को लेकर.
हाँ.
पर वो पता चलता है कि हम वहाँ काम ही नहीं कर पाते.
हाँ.
Without
प्रेस भी तो करना है ना.
प्रेस भी करना है, कपड़े भी
बर्तन भी
धोने हैं,
धोने हैं.
बर्तन भी धोने.
The
And-
lifestyle we enjoy in India,
वो नहीं मिल
I think
सकता.
वो और कहीं नहीं मिलेगा.
एंड हम तो रहे हैं वहाँ
हाँ.
एज अ कपल हम रहे हैं एंड कपल में तुम ये सब कर सकते हो बट
हाँ.
जब बच्चे हैं तुम्हें उनकी वांट्स एंड नीड्स पूरी करनी है
हाँ.
तो एनीवे अवे फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ दैट घर में वो इकोसिस्टम है बच्चों के पास उनकी दादी है उससे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है
बहुत फर्क पड़ता
and because of that I am able to I used to start with 4 hours a day of work
है.
and now I do up to 8 hours which is
Wow.
not bad.
But so while you're working,
Yeah.
what if your son or daughter तो अभी कहाँ आएगी, but
हाँ.
son comes and disturbs you, so
So he used to straight away barge into my meetings, and these would be meetings with like really high net worth individuals in UK and US, and I would be freaking out and switching off my camera. And then I realized he needs to respect me
Yeah.
as a mother, and he
Boundaries.
needs to respect me as a professional because if he has someone to look up to, I'm there 24 hours a day.
हाँ.
So he needs to see me as that professional, and I need to respect my profession. So now he knows if I do this, he will stop outside the door. He may keep crying, but he will not enter my meetings.
Wow, discipline.
Discipline.
You know, you could be I think you are a great role model for a lot of girls out there who keep struggling with कि सर कैसे करेंगे. you know, I think in my view, it is a little difficult,
Hmm.
more difficult for the
Yeah,
girls
absolutely.
to do work, and because बच्चे will relate to the mother more
Hmm.
than तू जो मर्जी कर ले, मैं
Yeah.
जो मर्जी कर लूँ, we'll
Exactly.
always be ठीक है बेटा, आजा, I will
Exactly.
support you in different things. But the child looks for the mother, and being a professional, I think that's a great way you handled it, and specifically I loved it when you said कि मैंने ऐसे कर दिया तो वो दरवाजे के बाहर रहेगा.
नहीं,
So
so there's no definition of perfect
I
is
agree.
what I've
I agree.
come to know, which means कि कुछ ना कुछ mess हमेशा रहेगा.
रहेगा.
But if we find our way to work, because अगर काम छोड़ दिया तो what is, I feel like I derive a lot of self-worth from
Yeah.
my profession, from
Well,
being a CA.
Yes.
And I think a lot of people do,
Yes.
and that's fine.
Yeah.
मतलब मदर होना एक तरफ है पर प्रोफेशन भी एक
पर
तरफ
दोनों
है.
को हैंडल करना, I
हैंडल
think that
करना
is what
एक साथ,
life is.
तो
That's
हर
the
किसी का
beauty of it.
डिफरेंट तरीका है.
बिल्कुल.
तो ये मेरा तरीका.
So how has life changed after the kids?
That I'll let you answer.
She gives all the nice questions
She
to
does.
me, but I
Yeah.
need to be politically correct with
Politically
what I
Yeah,
say.
be
No,
nice.
it is tough. I know it is tough.
It
I
is
mean,
It is
very
tough.
hard.
I have had kids who've grown up. It is very tough.
Yeah.
With the
Fundamentally,
kids.
it comes down to is what you're doing really important to you? If it is, you will make it work.
Hmm.
Kids are super important to us,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
And our work is critical to us.
Yeah.
So we make it work.
And they're both very different.
Absolutely.
Work is work. This is life.
This is
Yeah,
life.
this
This
is
is
life.
children. I think it's the
And-
most beautiful part of your life
Yeah.
is the children when you see them grow up.
Yeah.
And you've just started on the journey,
Which-
but it's a beautiful journey.
Yeah, which is why we try and do the best we can, like every parent does, right? We want to show up for school events, we want to pick, we want to drop, we want to invest time in them.
We
and
want them to have good habits. We want everything. So that is also a problem with
That's
our
a-
generation. हमें काम भी पूरा चाहिए, हमें बच्चे भी ऐसे चाहिए कि हर चीज उनकी हैबिट्स अच्छी हों, खाना अच्छा खाते हों, टीवी कम देखते हों, दादा दादी की रिस्पेक्ट करते हों, सबको नमस्ते करते हों, सब कुछ हैबिट्स भी देनी है.
It is so
And-
beautiful seeing you all from what I remember in class. So this is the journey. This is what I wanted to share with everybody, and I think it's been a great conversation. But now, just a few questions to end it up with.
Sure.
What is the future of the Indian Chartered Accountant?
What are you looking at me for?
I thought you'd like to answer first.
So in my view, the future of the Indian Chartered Accountant depends not on following, but creating a path. You have to create your own
Just
path.
say it again. I think that is very well said. Very well said. It's not about following the path,
It's about
but creating a
a
new
path.
one. Yes.
And I know it sounds easier when somebody's done it, but for us, when we came back from the UK, we had nothing to fall back on as a professional.
Yeah.
Right? We'd come back for a short stint. COVID happened. We chose to stay.
Yeah.
Because we were at a time when we thought the world would end. Right? And we scrambled. But then we created a path. So today when people talk about we need to go.
Take the first step.
Yes.
Hmm.
पहला कदम तो लो. पहले
I'll
decide
tell you.
करो, and then everything will start working around it.
27th of August 2020. So basically, yesterday, 4 years, is when we incorporated our firm.
Wow.
And that is literally the point I hit the button at PwC saying, I cannot return.
Very nice.
And
वो call लेना जरूरी है.
you have to take those
Call
tough
लेना
calls.
जरूरी है. When
And-
I started teaching, no one was teaching. No one. So जब मैंने पहली बार सोचा कि यार education में जाते हैं, somehow that was the calling. I was also not sure कि मुझे पढ़ाना चाहिए नहीं चाहिए. So everyone was telling me tuition master बनेगा. You know, and nobody thought at that time कि 100-150 का बैच होता है, 2-4 बच्चे पढ़ा रहे होते थे. But I found so much of happiness in teaching, and the rest just followed.
Yeah.
It was just from 4 to 10. Similarly, you gave up a job in PwC. People die to get a job there.
Exactly.
You just one day say, fine, बस मैं वापस नहीं जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे अब ये करना. And I think it's turned out really well.
It has. And एक जो conception होता है ना mind में कि misconception actually that you have to go abroad to do this.
हाँ.
Today, I think with a lot of effort, we can tell the world you can get that global exposure by not crossing boundaries because there are no more boundaries.
There are no, अब तो online हो गया. The world has moved
It is
this far.
online. You just need to have the ability and the confidence to take that first step.
Yeah. So anyone who wants, I'm sure you will be able to help.
Yeah.
To get guidance on how to get to do what they're doing, just drop a message. I'm sure we will try and get them
Absolutely, sir.
to give a few little more details on that as well. You both are on LinkedIn,
We absolutely
Yes,
are.
we are.
so you can always follow them on LinkedIn as well.
Yeah.
So what about you? What is the future of the Indian Chartered?
I think one should not be afraid of just exploring different options. I started with audit. I delved into corporate finance. I delved into Sarbanes-Oxley reporting. I've also done financial due diligence. And now I'm quite happy with my current choice of profession, which is
It's about shooting
valuations.
arrows. Which one hits?
Which one hits?
Yeah.
And valuations was the one which motivated me. It still motivates me. Something that helps you learn every day and helps you grow every day, and you can help clients.
So you have to
So,
find what gives you the happiness.
And that's the future of Indian CA in that sense. And plus, you need to be good at what you do.
Yeah.
So be very, very like.
But I think वो degree जब मिलती है,
हाँ.
एक बार वो filtration process हो गया होता है.
Okay.
This degree will only be given to people who have a certain skill set, which is work hard, concepts clear. Otherwise, वो CA final clear नहीं होगा.
Yeah.
So I think it's a very good filtration process that we have.
And that's a filtration process even the industry uses.
Yeah.
So if I want, like I said, for being a valuer for the work internationally, you don't need to be a CA. But we've gone through the journey where we've tried to reach out to people from other professions with background in finance. And what we realize is now first screening question is, are you a chartered accountant? If you are, we can upskill you. We can get you there.
मतलब तुम्हारा skill set है.
Yes, you've got that skill set.
Right. So the final question. You know, I am asked this question every day. Sir, AI आ रहा है. अब तो return है वही भर लेगा. तो CA करेगा क्या? No. So in the new world where we see the AI coming in at a very fast pace.
Absolutely.
And how, according to you both, is the role of the CA going to change? Is valuation something that AI will be able to do? How do you plan to evolve out of it? What is it?
Sure. So I'll tell you how I'm using it right now. So I'm already using it in helping me do my work better. So I think we need to stop looking at it as a rival, instead use it as a tool.
Very nice.
So that is really important. So I'm already using things like ChatGPT and Claude AI, and they really help facilitate the way I present my outcomes to client. And usse refine bhi hota hai, samajh bhi acha aata hai, because it's like having a slightly trained it's like having a slightly trained associate working with you. जो थोड़ा तुम्हें documents का crux बता देगा. तो अभी तो वो है, but yes, it will evolve over time and it will evolve into a much better beast. But even then, अगर you have a skill set, some sort of thinking, then you will always be needed to actually bring उनका outcomes out for your use.
How about you?
Yeah.
So I'll say PwC is over 100 years old. Computers are not 100 years old.
Yeah.
When computers came about, people had the same
worries. Computer
आएगा, accountant क्या करेगा?
Tally आ गया तो अब किताबें कैसे रखेंगे? Right.
But the chartered accountant also needs to ask themselves, if filing income tax returns is your passion, you will learn to work with AI. Otherwise, you will have to evolve as a professional.
Yeah.
There are tasks which are going to be automated.
Yes.
We've already accepted automated bookings on the phone.
Absolutely.
And payments.
Plus automated tally यार.
Yeah.
I remember जब हम कर रहे थे, हम debit और credit लिखते होते थे और गलती होती तो मिटा के करते होते.
Yeah.
So the tally does it automatically.
It does it automatically.
That did not reduce the scope of the chartered
AI,
accountant.
you need to stay ahead of the curve with AI.
Yes.
It is artificial intelligence. It is not intelligence.
Awesome. Very nicely said. It's been very nice, beautiful conversation we've had. But I'm going to sum this up by saying, remember, beta, in life, change is the only constant. And I always recommend a book called Who Moved My Cheese by Spencer Johnson.
Okay.
It's about how you have to keep looking at new opportunities, keep changing your skill set, keep evolving and keep growing. And I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
And do stay in touch. But I'm sure we'll be getting back again together sometime.
Absolutely,
to
sir.
talk more about valuation and how to guide the students on their journey.
We'd love to do that, sir.
All the best.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you.